Hey guys, Nick Mower today from Mark Supply Company to have for you a 2021 Kubota BX2380 subcompact tractor with an LA 344 quick attach front loader, 48-inch bucket, turf tire package. This tractor is like new, local tractor. Gentleman got into a health condition and decided to sell off some of the stuff. 87 hours on this tractor. I do have a like new snowblower for sale separately from this tractor. Absolutely beautiful, clean, 54-inch deck. This is a 2021 tractor. Full warranty expires on it 11/14/23, which is coming up here. Emissions warranty until 11/14/2023, and then factory powertrain on this tractor, engine, transmission, hydraulics until 11/14/2027, and we can take care of transferring that to the new owner. Again, a like new tractor here. We're going to start here up under the hood, take you completely around this tractor. Here we go. So under the hood of this tractor, going to be powered by a Kubota D902 3-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs great. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature. We did go ahead and do our normal service. All new filters and oils, OEM Kubota filters and oils taken care of. Everything is serviced, changed, and ready to go to work. Hood does have a couple little wee scuff marks on it. Nothing out of the ordinary of a used tractor, but again, it is a like new tractor. It is not some piece of junk. Bucket still has a majority of all the paint on it. 54-inch deck. Again, turf tire package. Tires are 95%. Folding roll bar. SMV, slow moving vehicle sign. Factory top link with the stay keeper. Category 1 3-point hitch. 540 PTO. And again, it does have the 54-inch deck. We're going to show you here mid PTO, mid and rear, or rear. PTO engagement, joystick loader control, high-low range, and we are going to show you here 87.8 hours. It does have the nice seat with the fold-down armrests. I'm going to go ahead at this time. I'm going to fire this tractor up. We're going to run it around. We're going to show you it does everything it is supposed to do. Here we go. Help if I latch the hood. So we'll start out low range. Four-wheel drive out. So that's low range. Now we're going to go ahead and give it a high range. So we're going to go ahead here. We are in mid PTO. Lower deck is nice, quiet. There again, keep in mind this tractor is under warranty. It is a like new tractor. It's an unfortunate thing. The gentleman got sick, decided to sell off his stuff. I was glad to buy it. Very nice, clean piece of equipment to own. I like stuff like this. 87-hour piece. Again, very, very nice piece of equipment to own. 4-ways, turn signals, everything there works the way it is supposed to. If you should have any questions, 814-658-3066. If you would be interested in the snowblower, I believe that is a BX2380 fast hitch snowblower for on the front mounted. We do have that available for sale at an extra price or an extra charge. It is separate from the tractor. Any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.